want to introduce you to my new cameraman. Look at him work. Look at him work my stand. Even though I'm not really recording anything, I was just holding my phone so I can watch videos. Hey. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or someone else would like to think it's his and only his, but it's our channel, my channel. Christmas has hit early for my family. I normally do not like decorating before Thanksgiving. This year, I'm just like, I can't say the word, duck it. We're doing Christmas early, decorating Christmas early. So just along with the Halloween, there's a haul. You got some tinsel, and then before my son just, no, you're stepping on the cord, decided to drop the camera. So as we were, tinsel, and as I said, there is a theme this year, and I don't know if I should say, and if I do, it's gonna be in the title, or probably not till we finish decorating. That will there be the theme said. Not only do I have one, and I think there's more. If there's more, you will know. You guys will understand once we finish decorating. Oh no, did this one fall off? No. I don't know where that came from. Before I continue, because my son is playing with these. Want to show it?
Bruh.
We got cookie cutters. Technically this counts as a tree, so 15. Little house. Little houses. Snowflake. Mind you that mostly everything we got was mainly at Five and Below and Dollar Tree and 99-cent store, except for this big tree, you know, so this is 2 tinsels, not just one. My new Christmas hat. And if you can guess the theme, comment down below. If you haven't seen the other video yet that I will upload after this about the decorations. Giant Christmas lights. These don't light up, I think. No, they don't. Big snow. Big snow. I think we're gonna put this under the tree. If not, it's gonna go for some other part. These little decorations, I don't want to get them out of the bag just yet. I just don't know what these are gonna go for yet. Don't want to break them. This little clip-on for the tree, I believe. I don't know. Some of these things my mom bought. Some of these things I bought. Now these are for sure what I bought. These are just like accessories for a project. Duct tape for a project. What? Nah. Don't lose them. Snow for the windows or the cars. A new Christmas stocking. More ornaments. Ornaments. Let's see how many I can. Oh no, that one opened. Hurry, baby, hurry. Put it. Oh my goodness. I don't know where the lid is for that one, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put it back, baby. Put it back. There's another one of these. This one's a big one from 5 and Below. This is perfect for the theme. You're making me very confused. Oh, I know about this. More fix now. More tinsel. Another tree. My little hair pieces. And then I have another one that you saw right now. More lollipops. More candy. Feathers. More feathers. Everything right here is just like very, yeah. Would you like some play? This needs to be clean. A white stocking. Another stocking. These are for my sisters. If this doesn't tell you what the theme is. Oh, this other one I got. This ribbon. On this last bag I have lots and lots of ribbon and bows. Ribbon. Should video play. So we got the ribbon and Christmas tree. Not only that, oof. But that giant wreath, I have those giant decorations. Now I hope this video was not too long. Comment down below if you can guess what the theme is. If you haven't guessed it from the 2 objects I showed you, for sure scream what the theme is this year for my family, even though my hat doesn't go along with it, but I had to get it. It's Yoda, duh. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, thank you, bye.